Alright, Koripalieji, something too good here, Ahmad. UFN, as they say, the best in Pade. Well, I was traveling for this Pade, just landed and came across this good initiative. This church has donated or has gifted staff of UFN God. We also have the Bible, never truly. Blessing this Christmas. There is a shop this passion so that Kai Chamo in case you decide, especially the Gwere, then you have to wash your hands and maintain the hygiene. There is also
net.
Mosquito net. I think this one came from abroad. It's not something good enough. And there's chili and sugar. So these are the goods staff mixed together with staff of the church. It's a blessing. I think it's a good idea, and I hope also in future Acholi Pro Evo TV also receives. Once I decide to grab one from here, thank you. Especially for my own be around just when you're getting the goat.
Yeah, it's a very big blessing when you are a community servant and when you work for the community. The blessing comes from nowhere. I am so delighted to receive my very beautiful young goat, which came as a blessing from our development partner.
So, Mr. Justin, will you chew this goat this Christmas, or you will keep it for
a blessing
multiplication?
Is supposed to multiply so that you testify.
So you wish to multiply it?
Yeah. I am going to breed this goat, and I pray that one time in future, I also be one of the person who bless someone else.
So what is your message to the Calvary Church?
My message to the Calvary Church is that they should continue. The hands that give always receives more blessings, and that their blessings will as well multiply and expand until I don't know what I have to say.
You're so excited.
The excitement is beyond.
I heard that you will also get sugar and the rest.
Exactly.
It's okay. So how do you feel about this initiative?
I'm really very happy. I'm really so excited, and I've run. How do I say? In fact, I don't even know what to say. I'm very happy.
You're in a kind of safe eye.
I'm too happy, and I'm wishing everyone really a Merry Christmas. And we have started the celebration.
And what message do you have for the church?
Yeah, thank you so much. I also wish other churches really to really pick what these people have done to us by giving. This is a time for giving, because the Bible says there is a hand in giving than receiving. Thank you so much.
So, so, has it also been taken to our radio stations?
No.
So, what do you think motivated them to choose these radio stations?
We are always giving out good news, the word, breaking news, everything that is happening around.
That one, so you mother. Man, make it. Chele me Arab. Me it up chele me Arab. Naka nyimgi we taro. Man.
And we kill the chunk and mark the material, take the photos and.
Mel madito maka waragam.
We're not okay to tell.
No, what I am doing, do what you like.
Anyway,
Pero better gang tio la kan di budi lu me cha kwa.
eh.
Tio la kan di. La ke tin di lu.
Anda ke lamu kana ni.
Mo e ke to ya.
Okay, bima ka video.